Unit 5 Operating System Session 3. This is the last session of our 5th chapter Operating System. We are going to finish this chapter within the session 3. At the end of this session, you will learn to change the wallpaper and to create folders. Okay. Now, let's see how we can make the desktop more attractive and more impressive. Can't you see beautiful background picture of the desktop? It is called wallpaper. Okay, now let's learn how we can change the wallpaper. Alright, so for that, in order to change the wallpaper, let's see what are the steps we want to do. First step is right click on the blank space in the desktop. Then select Personalize from the drop-down. Alright, then. So we'll get a setting window like this. From that, click Background so that we can see background in the right side. While clicking this background, we'll get a drop-down. From that, select Picture. Okay, then what is the next step? Let's see. Now, this Windows operating system is providing many pictures that are suitable for our desktop. We can opt pictures from choose your picture option so that the picture selected has become the background of the desktop. And it is also possible to select the picture that we have already saved in our system or computer. And for that, just click on the browse below the choose your picture option. Then you can select the picture that you have already saved in your computer. All right. So the selected picture has become the background of the desktop. So this is how we can change the wallpaper of our desktop. Now let's move on to the next topic. Creating a folder. Okay, now let's see what are the steps to create a folder. Step 1. Right-click on the open space or blank space of the desktop. Step 2. Select New. Then Folder from the drop-down. Select New, then Folder from the drop-down. Now what is the third step? Yes, so that a new folder has been created on the desktop, and also you can see new folder as selected in blue color. Okay. Now what is the fourth step? Erase the name new folder using backspace key on the keyboard. Then obviously what is the fifth step? Yes. Type your name there and press enter key. Okay, now a new folder is created in the name class 5. It is more convenient and useful if separate folders are created for different types of files like pictures, Word documents, presentations, etc. Okay, so these are the 5 steps to create a folder. Now, let's move on. Subfolders. What do you mean by subfolders? We can create folders inside a folder. These are called subfolders. That means we can create subfolders with names, my documents, my presentation, my pictures, etc. in the main folder. Now here, come, we can see. Here class file is the main folder. Now, this pictures, PPT, Word files, etc. are subfolders within this main folder class file. Okay, we can see the subfolders, pictures, PPT, Word files in the main folder class file. All right, so these are called subfolders. Now, folders can be created in C drive, D drive, E drive, etc. But as the operating system files are in the C drive, it is not good to save your personal files in the C drive. All right. Okay. That's all for today's class. And this is the end of this chapter. And in our next class, we will see you with a new chapter. Okay. Thank you.